What's going on, everybody? It's David Piatek, and today I want to talk to you about a bipartisan bill that was introduced to protect disabled veterans' access to affordable housing. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. And if you guys don't know my channel, VA Housing Education, we educate the veteran community around using the VA home loans. I am also a lender, so if you're looking to utilize your VA loan, please schedule a call with me down below. All right, so let's pop right into it. So this is from the actual press release, which I'm going to link that down below along with the bill. So what's the significance of this? So currently, veterans that receive VA disability compensation and pensions, okay, from the military is considered income for like any type of calculation for low income housing tax credits, often pushing disabled veterans above eligibility thresholds and potentially into homelessness, which I have seen, and I'll share some of those stories. The bill would exclude service-related disability benefits from those income calculations, ensuring veterans are not denied housing assistance. So, a couple things to note with that. One, you can use your VA disability compensation to buy a home. And I have a whole bunch of videos talking about that process. And soon we're going to actually create like an ultimate guide all in one, probably be an hour long, all the different benefits that exist within it. What this program talks about from a federal level, okay? Because right now, anytime you try to go to, let's say, maybe to get some housing assistance, they're going to look at your VA disability compensation. They're going to look at your Social Security income. They're going to look at your military pension. And that's what they're going to calculate to determine if you can be put in one of these programs, right? You have another side of things where there's like down payment assistance programs that exist. They always will use that income, right, to qualify you for that. And I believe primarily it's because in the IRS's code, it says that it's considered income, which I'm going to show you guys the bill next and kind of go through what they're saying for that small change. So the bill is very short. It's probably the shortest one I've seen. But again, that kind of lets people maybe get over that threshold to be able to get into some affordable housing, because it's definitely stopped veterans from being able to get into like a lot of programs. And this isn't just like a one-off thing. I mean, I talk to people every single day that reach out from YouTube. They're like, hey, David, I need some help going through my VA home loan. Does it make sense? Does it not? Hey, what programs do I qualify for? And it's unfortunate at times when we're kind of on that cusp of like, hey, if we didn't use VA disability income, you'd be able to qualify for that program. Another part of that is the HUD-VASH program, right? So a HUD-VASH is for like housing vouchers for veterans. They typically will not consider VA disability as income, so that is a positive piece. This part goes a little bit further by also saying that pensions from the military are going to be excluded from that. So let me share that with you guys right now, so you have could take a look at the bill, and I'll just kind of read through the important sections. So right now, again, it's in the House what they're proposing. So Section 1, short title: This act may be cited as the Fair Housing for Disabled Veterans Act. Treatment of veteran disability compensation or pension payments for purposes of low-income housing tax credit and residential rental application. So again, projects. So again, if you may qualify for some of these, which you want to at least look into and reach out to your local representative. So the Internal Revenue Code of 1986 is amended by adding at the end of the following new clause: veteran disability compensation or pension for purpose of determining income under this subparagraph, payments of disability compensation or under Chapter 11 or 15 of Title 38. So again, that would kind of open it up for a lot of veterans to be able to get into home ownership, or at least a pathway to be able to save money. Because we talked to a lot of veterans homeless veterans that have become homeowners because they'll be able to put into some of these programs where they can save some money, then go back out into the community and purchase a property. Also note just the ever-changing component of your VA disability rating and property taxes, right? So that landscape changes over time, where veterans may think they're moving to a certain area because they have tax exemptions or other benefits, and those benefits have changed since then. So make sure you do some research on your own. Make sure you go, and again, I have a whole video on how to search for the VA disability stuff by county, And that's just being able to do some really quick searches. It won't take you much time, but then you're gonna know where your benefits stand. Hope you guys like the content, like the video, share and subscribe with the veteran community, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.